So here we are out on our last full day of our winter in Yellowstone adventure, and it's been quite an adventure. Now this year, the snow's been a little thin in the valleys, the temperatures have been warm, but overall it's been a remarkable trip. We had a lot of wildlife activity, and that's kind of what you expect when you come to Yellowstone any time of the year. But wintertime's a little more magical because, you know, the animals just really stand out against the snow. In some cases it makes it a little easier to find, and you're liable to get a whole lot of different kind of activities other than just the animals standing there. Right now we've got 3 moose and a bison in the field behind us. We've been watching these moose for about an hour. They're pretty incredible. We've seen a lot of moose this morning. Probably these makes the 10th or 12th moose we've seen, but overall this trip has been magnificent. One of the reasons you go back to a place like Yellowstone time and time again is that the place is different every time you go. Even day to day and minute to minute things change. The place is so dynamic. Even though the snow was thin in places, we still saw lots of wildlife. This time around, I probably saw more coyotes than I've ever seen in the past. In addition, we saw lots of moose, and the other wildlife was phenomenal as well.